guys, welcome back to my channel, Kuisine Kreyol, and this is your girl Fedna, and today we will be going to different restaurants to have the person in front of us decide what we eat today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye.
What can I get started for you today?
Hi, yes. Can I place an order of whatever the person in front of me had?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can I have two? She needs two. Oh, we can share.
Anything else today?
No, that's all.
I'll see you after. Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope it's big enough for the both of us.
I seen it.
Oh, it's good.
It's a blonde thing.
Oh,
What is it?
I don't know. I didn't see it. Yeah, we're just in line. She said she's seen it.
I
said it was like
it's blonde something. You just said blonde.
I think it's a drink.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's good because I'm actually.
Oh, I'm gonna ask for 2 straws if it's a drink.
Yeah.
We both gotta try it.
Yo, you think I'm just here to look?
Yes. No. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
It's gonna be $3.45.
Thank you.
Two
Huh?
straws.
I didn't hear what you. I'm gonna let you try this first, cause see, I don't like Subway like that.
Subway.
I mean,
Guys, she's on one. Yeah, this is some strong ass coffee, y'all. Somebody is tired.
wait, shake it first.
How you gonna shake it?
Like this.
Come in.
Stir it, I mean. Oh my god, we forgot to add sugar.
Oh, we had to get it exactly how you had.
Oh my gosh. Okay, try it first.
It's
It's
hot.
hot, I know.
It's trying to burn my tongue.
Wait, be careful. Just sip it then. Sip it.
Ew, this is disgusting.
I'm not trying it then.
You have to try it. It's your challenge.
Technically, it's not my challenge. It's YouTube challenge, and I decided to do it.
Exactly. Go do it.
All right. Joanna, this is nasty.
Why'd you blaming me?
What the hell is this?
You trying to blame me, y'all?
Yeah, this is blonde white cream, no sugar. Okay.
It says no sugar?
No, it doesn't say sugar, but wouldn't it say sugar? This thing nasty. No.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, we're doing this.
First one is a fail.
Gonna try it again.
Oh, this is nasty.
What if there's sugar in it? You think it's gonna be good?
Yeah, but it's just gonna be like, yeah, somebody's tired.
That's nasty, guys.
That one was a.
So we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A.
Hopefully, you can't mess up Chick-fil-A.
No,
So
that us. Let me go.
all right, see y'all Chick-fil-A.
Girl,
What?
you think it's gonna be a lot of food?
What do you mean?
The person in front of us it's only one person.
It's not gonna be food.
I am hungry.
I am hungry too.
Chick-fil-A better not disappoint me.
Bro, like what? I'm starving. This is my favorite food.
I know you love the mac and cheese.
I love mac and cheese. Like I literally have an order: mac and cheese, chicken nuggets,
Oh, my card at?
and the fries.
Oh, I'm excited. Hi. Can I order whatever the person in front of us ordered? Are you able to check that or no?
I can go and see whether they ordered.
Oh, the last person you checked, like you ordered.
The last person I did?
Mm-hmm. Can you do that?
Yeah. So, like, do you want me to tell you?
Yeah, you can tell me, yeah.
All right.
You want me to tell
No,
us?
don't tell us.
she-
Don't tell us.
No, she
What was the name?
Oh, Fedna, Fedna.
So you just like wanted to be surprised?
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Yes. Thank you.
And they got 2 drinks.
Oh, here.
Have a great day.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Bye. We're not gonna park here because it's too packed here.
Dang, they got hella. We got 2 drinks. Oh, God knew. We look good.
Guys, look at my nails. Isn't it cute? My sister.
Guys, we're blessed. We got 2 drinks.
What is it?
I don't know. Ooh, I'm getting lemonade. Period.
We both sharing.
What is it?
I'm not smelling it. I think it's iced tea. I hate iced tea.
Wow. Okay, yeah, we can share.
We got all this. But what do you think is in it?
Oh no, yeah. I smell fries though.
I hope it's chicken. Oh, we got 2 fries. One for you. What? One for me. Oh my God, Joanna, you're gonna be happy.
You're lying.
Here, hold this. Oh wait, you're gonna be happy. You got mac and cheese. You got mac and cheese.
Okay, put it down.
I'm putting right here. Ooh, got grilled chicken. That's for me.
I never had that.
Well, we're gonna try it today. And this is the
Sandwich?
Yeah. Oh, that's the deluxe.
Dang, they were
What's the
hungry.
difference between this one?
I have no idea.
Well, we got the one without the cheese. If that makes a difference, guys. All right, so which one to try first?
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Hold on, let's put our hand sanitizer on.
Yeah, let's do that. Corona safe, guys. Corona safe. OMG! I'm so happy. Get in there. I got everything that I Loki wanted. Mac and cheese.
Yeah. I mean, you can't go wrong with Chick-fil-A.
Girl. Ooh,
Definitely can't
we're about to
go
eat
wrong.
good, y'all.
Put this right here.
God, thank you for the food. You knew. You knew.
Oh, man. Oh, you ever had sweet and sour? Sweet and spicy. I want to try this.
Guys,
It's good.
you already know.
Let me try this.
I
Oh,
always have
it's hot.
to. Mm-hmm.
It is hot.
Not easy. Look, they're fast, they're good, and they're quality.
Mm-hmm. Try it.
Are you good?
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, we're here. We're at what is it?
Raisin King.
Raising Cane's.
Hi.
Hungry chicken.
Hello?
Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Oh, okay. No, I just wanted to order whatever the person in front of us ordered.
So a box combo, no salt, extra fries with a Dr. Pepper, adding on 2 sauces, and then a 3-finger combo with a Dr. Pepper.
Okay.
Alright, anything else for you?
No, that's all.
So it's gonna be $15.87.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
It's not bad. $15. You was recording, Joanna?
I was.
Oh.
You see? I better turn my head off.
Bro, this is tight.
It's tight.
These fries are good.
She still didn't eat her fries, y'all.
It's done now. I'm done. You gotta make clear for the other one.
Oh my god.
Come here.
We got 2 Dr. Peppers.
Oh, you heard that?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Hi, how you doing? Mm-hmm.
Yay! We'll see. Let's see what they got. Oh, it's the next one.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see if it's actually really
It's
good.
2.
Damn.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Guys, that Chick-fil-A, no cap, I am tired.
I know. She
I'm
said,
so
I want to go to
sleepy.
sleep.
Uh-oh.
Thank you, you too. Alright, so we know this is Dr. Pepper.
Ew.
It's disgusting. But that's the iced tea,
I
right?
accidentally. Oh, like,
Why don't you throw it away? I don't got an extra spot for this. No, let me try that. Alright, so this is the first container. Ooh! Oh, we both get one then.
yeah, damn.
Oh, I got the big one.
What's in there? I'm actually full though.
See this, guys? Ooh. This is Raising Cane.
Raising Cane's, I think it's an Ohio thing.
Well, not East Coast, I know.
Yeah, it's definitely not East Coast. It's pretty good.
Mmm.
It's chicken tenders. Whose hair is that? Is that your hair? We're about to sue these people, guys.
Yeah.
That is not. Oh, that's mine.
Joanna!
Sorry.
They got a special sauce. Ooh, this one's hot. It's good. Oh, I ain't got no ketchup.
Ketchup. Oh.
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
So when I get home,
Ooh, good.
I'll have us off tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. Yo, this thing hot. You see this? Oh no, Joanna, your thing's dying. Did it still record?
Yeah.
Oh. Mm.
Ooh, it's hot!
Uh-huh.
Why does it look like speckles coming out?
What?
It's like a sun. I think it's a sun effect.
Oh, good.
Ooh, yeah,
Raising Cane is basically fries and chicken tenders.
it's good.
Nothing else. Maybe a sandwich. They do sandwiches?
I don't think so. Yeah, fries and chicken nuggets.
Mm-hmm.
It's good. That's all they eat in Cincy. That's all I eat in Cincy.
And you can't mess this up.
You can't.
That's the only thing you sell.
Yeah, so it has to be good.
And it's a special sauce.
Yeah.
I think this was the first thing I got when I
You
first
should do a
moved here.
video like that.
Well,
How do you make it?
I should do a copycat Raising Cane
That'd be good.
with that special sauce.
Yeah, I
Be
can't
on
eat
the
no
lookout.
more.
Mm-mm.
I'm full.
I'm go ahead and eat this when I get home. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I was so happy. Oh my god, like yes. So my next goal is to reach 5,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this video, even if it's for a minute, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below what other videos you want me to record. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.